Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. If it's your first time here, today I'm going to be creating a get ready with me type video, and I'm going to be reviewing the new Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Foundation. I am going to be raving about this foundation. I actually tried to use it once. I'll tell you about that, and I loved it. So if you guys want to see how I feel about this foundation, let's get right into it. To start off, I'm going to start doing my eyebrows. I don't know how this is going to be, but we'll make it work. I'm currently in a hotel room, as you can tell, and I'm in New York. I came here to buy my wedding dress, hopefully. If you guys hear a humming noise, it's because I'm sitting next to the air conditioner and it's super duper loud. Okay, eyebrows are done. So now let's get into the good juicy stuff, the foundation. So the shade that I got is 90NN, and it comes in this cute bottle. It's interesting, the foundation says Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation, and the bottle is literally so weightless. It feels like plastic, but it's not. Actually, maybe it is plastic. It's super light, so that's good for travel. It's not too heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pump a little bit in the back of my hand. Then I'm gonna use a beauty blender to just dump that in. So I'm just applying it everywhere on my face. Oh my gosh, it feels so light. It's not heavy. You know those foundations that you pack on and it's super heavy? This is extremely light, and I guess I see why they call it weightless. And it blends in well with the skin. So the first time I applied it on, I noticed that I looked super red, but then once it settles in and sits, it evens out with your skin tone, which is super cool. So I went to Sephora. I had never been matched before, so I went to Sephora and they matched me, and they found out that this was my shade. And when I went home and I tried it, I was like, yes, it couldn't be farther away from the truth. It was perfect. So I'm just blending this all over the skin, my face. Wow. It looks like I'm not even wearing foundation, which is super cool. I'm gonna go ahead and just pump a little bit more on the back of my hand so I can get the forehead. I think this foundation is perfect for summertime because it's not heavy. I mean, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything, honestly. And it blends in too well in the skin. I don't see any patching. It's so cool. So before I purchased the bottle, I went to Sephora and I got a sample because I don't know if I told you, the first time I got the Fenty Beauty foundation, I was just not too pleased because it doesn't have a matte finish, and that's the only reason I didn't like it. And it just made my skin look weird, but I guess I didn't get the right shade. Anyway, so this foundation I got matched and I got the sample because I was like, I'm gonna try it on at home and see if I like it. If I like it, I'll purchase the bottle. And I loved it. And I said I'll do a review so I can let you guys know. I'm gonna go in with an angled brush so I can get these harsh lines at the top. See the light lines from the concealer earlier when we were doing our brows. And I'm gonna go ahead and fix that light line at the top because it's so annoying. Just at the top. Just gives that halo effect that's not cute. Do you guys remember when that was a makeup trend? Having a halo effect at the top. of your eyebrows. Oh my god, I can remember that trend. So I don't know if you guys can tell, I've started doing my eyebrows, my foundation before my shadows, because I think it's such a good technique. Because if you need to fix anything around anything about the foundation or the concealer on your eyebrows, it's easier to fix when you put on your foundation first versus doing your eyes and then, you know, doing foundation. So now I'm going to highlight. I'm using the Prolonged Wear Concealer by MAC, and this is in the shade NC45, I think. Is the shade? Yeah, NC45. I'm gonna pump a little bit on the back of my hand as well. That. Now I'm just gonna contour my nose. Using the NYX translucent powder in the shade Banana. Finish contouring with the Fenty Beauty Matte Stick, and this is in the shade Espresso. So I'm just using the remaining product on the brush to just fix the nose contour. For the eyes, I'm going to do a very simple look. I'm going to do neutral colors. I'm using the Morphe Second Nature palette. I'm going to be using browns possibly, because I'm going to use one of the Fenty Beauty eyeliners, the colorful eyeliners. So I'm going to do a very neutral eye so the eyeliner can pop. I'm going to start off by prepping the eyelid. So I'm going to start off by going in with a darker color, this color. You guys can check out my tutorial on how you can create that illusion. Moving the brush to the top and then bringing it down again. use a lash primer. I'm gonna use a lash primer. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise base. So for lashes, I am using the Ardell Mink Full Mink lashes. These are wispies. I didn't want to have or put on dramatic lashes, so I went with the Ardell lashes. They don't have too much volume. Okay, so I just finished with putting the eye situation together. So I am gonna go ahead and set everything with powder. I am loving this Urban Decay foundation, you guys. The thing I love about it the most is that it has a matte finish, and I gravitate towards foundations that have a matte finish. That's my jam. I'm gonna use the same mini brush we used to contour earlier to set that nose contour. Do you guys see the finished look when you use smaller lashes that don't have a lot of volume? If I had used the Lily lashes, the 3D Mink lashes that have a lot of volume and length, you would not be able to see this eyeliner. So you always want to use eyelashes that are not too long and that don't have a lot of volume. You want to use super light and thin lashes so your eyeliner can pop. Well, if you're using these colored liners, you always want to remember not to wear lashes that have so much volume and length, because then you won't be able to see your eyeliner. So I am now applying blush. This is Raisin by MAC. I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Now I'm gonna highlight. I am using Iridescent Glow Bronze Highlighter. This is in the shade Golden Bronze. This is by MAC. I haven't used this product in a second. Now I'm using it again. I like to use a fluffy brush when I'm highlighting the tip of my nose. And I'm right here because then it just blends everything. It's not harsh. It just fluffs the highlighter everywhere. For my lipstick, I've been using Touch for almost every look I've been creating lately. I don't know, I've been liking neutral lips lately. Super nude. I've been liking nude lips lately. Alright, your girl is ready to try on wedding dresses. I am going to set the whole look with the MAC Chocolate Water, so the setting spray. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. I was having so much fun applying the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liner. It's so fun. I love colors, so it was just like playing. I felt like a little kid playing with colors. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys go and purchase this Urban Decay foundation. It's really good. It's bomb.com. If you have oily skin, I highly recommend the foundation. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and comment, hit the bell for notifications so you guys can get notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to subscribe, and